Now, well done, my people. Now, me, Mary Deba. I just still come here, I come follow and talk. I get some things I need to talk about today. I want to talk about Daddy Freeze, our Nigeria Daddy Freeze. It gets some kind of things where we say you go to talk, you go to enter person in here, but it gets some way you go to talk, they enter person in here. Sometimes, when you see man like you, they talk, and you look yourself, I don't see any reason where will make this man Daddy Freeze. You they criticize people. Why you always criticize people? Because I don't really understand. Because I don't know the side where you day one. Only you deal with celebrities. Only you they talk about Oshowore. Only you they talk about Busola and her husband. Only you talk about this Ooni of Ife and his wife. Only you they tell people when they don't pay tithes. I don't understand this man. You just come they criticize people. I be which side you really dey. I don't understand. Because sometimes I feel say your words not really they encouraging to people. I know say you get fans so because sometimes say people like crazy things. And so many people did this world, they be antichrist, but they wear clothes, they cover body. We don't really know who be all these people who they see every day. See, my message to Daddy Freeze. Very easy. If you want to become a celebrity, you want to become somebody you want people to know, stop criticizing other people, like pastors, because you are not God. Even you are not a perfect person. All these people where they criticize, all these pastors where they humiliate anyhow, not be you go judge them. You understand? Not be you go judge them. God not they judge everybody. God not say me we as a human more would they judge ourselves. You always come, you bring out one version from the Bible and you are criticizing all these people. You just they use other people till they climb. Me I don't understand. As in, I like waiting I go watch, then he go encourage me. Not be waiting I go watch, they're encouraging. You understand? I don't know about other people. But see Daddy Freeze. Stop criticizing people. Please. Stop. I know you are doing your work, but the kind of work what you really do, I don't know where the version from starts. I know you as a DJ, say that the Freeze is not DJ, but sometimes I see you as a pastor because you they come out from another way. Sometimes I they see you as DJ, you they interview people too. So whether you they work for television station or what, I don't know. As in you do something, as in creativity, something for yourself where people say, well, no, say that this one that the Freeze they do, and you do what go they encourage people. You understand? You don't tell so many people, try to confuse them not to they pay tithes. You don't humiliate many pastors and so many things like that. You understand? So I feel say person won't really climb to become somebody, or you need to go to somewhere. And in fact, I want really ask one question. I wish that then you won't criticize Buhari. As in you still come and talk about Buhari, say this Buhari, now here you for they make mistake, now here you for they do. I be person if you talk to Buhari, you just come and say, I want to talk about Buhari too. Now you want people to talk about Buhari, you bring out the topic and everybody is there with you. Then let's see how you are going to talk about him. You talk about all our politicians in Nigeria, the way they do their ways, things so that they do well no good. Not be all these pastors, our musicians, our actors and our actresses, all those people. No. You talk about Buhari, you talk, do videos where make sense. Talk about Buhari, talk about politicians, the way they are taking Nigerian money, what they are doing that is not good, Not be saying you go just come out, because now you won't criticize people. You go just come out, carry video, sit down face video, you want to continue to criticize people. No. You won't climb there, people too won't climb there. You won't reach there, people too won't reach there. Everybody wants to be there. So stop criticizing them. If any pastor you go do anything we want to do, now yourself you do one for. You understand? So if now you be the pastor today and you get one pulpit where you for the preach every Sunday, now you go tell your members, for example, because that one a past issue already, say may they not pay tithe or anything. See Daddy Freeze, I don't know. As one girl talk that time, say Daddy Freeze they do hair like a Indomie. I don't know as they do the hair, but see. Stop criticizing people, okay? I see when you are saying some things does not make sense at all. It's not funny at all. It's not funny. You are not encouraging at all. Maybe you feel get fans where they clap follow you, but no. If you want climb, you want to become somebody or whatever. I don't know, maybe you don't be somebody, I know, but I don't care to know. But stop using people to get there. Stop bringing people down. Don't come to Instagram and stop putting people down. No, they bring them down. It's not good. Talk about Buhari, talk about people where we need to. We want here say they talk about, when you talk about Buhari, talk about these are politicians, the way they are taking money, the way they are not doing things where then people go, they know say yes, you did the right key. You understand? Not only you want to come out every time, you just they criticize people for no reason. They talk about one version for Bible, they confuse other people. Those two way they confuse, they don't know what they Bible. So if they feel they confuse, they're very easy. So I beg, Daddy Freeze, my message, and you just get this message. I'm not saying I'm going to give any other person. At least try to change from your ways. Because the way me they see you, me they read you. I get you be. You understand? So change your ways. It's not good. Stop criticizing people. They are men like you. If it's easy, it's not easy. Person don't feel wake up in the morning, carry Bible, say one go pulpit, one go they preach. We know the one that God calls, not be you go tell us. You understand? Those where even they do rituals, all those things, we know them, not be you come they tell us. But at least criticize people like Buhari, criticize people like politicians, Nigerian politicians. At least then we will know that you know what you are doing. Not be all these are musicians. Our musicians too, they try to reach top. They won't date the right place. Our Nigerian actresses and actors, the same thing. Talk about people that can, we go be say they will reply you. You dey talk about Oshowore. Oshowore just trying to fight for the people. Abi you not get eye? You not get eye, you not get ear. You know they say Oshowore they fight for the people. Not be saying they fight for your own pockets. But you were still criticizing him. My dear, that is not the best way, okay? At least if you really say you dey more educated as you talk, you dey perfect, for where you dey, they do bad thing. Now you want dey perfect, and now you want get the right to criticize people. Stop, please. There are other jobs there. Change your job. If you don't know what you do, look for other job that can take you to there to become a big celebrity the way you want it. Not using other people to get there. You understand? Or jumping to other people issues, personal issues. You understand? You just they bring out so kind. They interview people who get problem with their husband, people who get problem with their colleagues, people who get problem with their manager or whatever. No. Talk about other big people where we need to hear about. Say yes, Daddy Freeze don't talk about this issue, and everybody go to follow you for back. Say yes, this is about that. Daddy Freeze now talk this thing. We make this thing be like this. Not the best way they fight for the youth of Nigeria. Now they want they talk about. I know. Sometimes when you sit down, you come across all these YouTube and Facebook things that is really happening there, and before you come sit down, come the face video, they talk about some kind of issue. The guy you go the reason you yourself. So I beg that the Freeze change your ways and watch Ipota TV.